If you're preparing for an airport cleaning job, this guide will help you feel confident and ready. Airport cleaners play a vital role in safety, hygiene, and passenger comfort. In this video, we'll cover the most commonly asked interview questions with clear, practical answers to help you impress interviewers and secure the job. 1. What do you know about the role of an airport cleaner? An airport cleaner is responsible for maintaining cleanliness and hygiene in terminals, restrooms, lounges, offices, and sometimes aircraft cabins. The role involves sweeping, mopping, waste disposal, and sanitizing high-touch areas to ensure passenger safety and comfort. Airport cleaners must follow strict health and safety standards because airports handle thousands of travelers daily. The job requires attention to detail, teamwork, time management, and the ability to work in a fast-paced, high-security environment. 2. Why do you want to work as an airport cleaner? I want to work as an airport cleaner because I value cleanliness and understand its importance in public safety. Airports are busy places, and maintaining hygiene directly affects passengers' health and experience. This job allows me to contribute positively while working in a professional, structured environment. I also appreciate the opportunity for stable employment, teamwork, and learning strict cleaning standards that can help me grow professionally in the long term. 3. What cleaning experience do you have? I have experience in professional cleaning, including offices, public restrooms, and large facilities. My duties included sweeping, mopping, sanitizing surfaces, emptying trash, and using cleaning chemicals safely. I understand how to follow cleaning schedules and work efficiently without disturbing others. Even when working independently, I maintain high standards. This experience has taught me discipline, attention to detail, and the importance of hygiene in public spaces. 4. How do you handle working in a busy airport environment? I handle busy environments by staying calm, focused, and organized. Airports can be crowded, so I plan my tasks carefully and prioritize high-traffic areas. I remain alert to passengers and staff to avoid disruptions or accidents. Working under pressure does not affect my performance because I am used to following schedules and instructions. I also communicate clearly with my team to ensure tasks are completed efficiently and safely. 5. Are you comfortable working shifts, nights, or weekends? Yes, I am comfortable working flexible shifts, including nights, weekends, and holidays. I understand that airports operate 24/7 and require cleaning at all hours to maintain hygiene. I am adaptable and responsible, and I plan my personal schedule to meet work requirements. Working different shifts does not affect my productivity. I see flexibility as an important part of being a reliable airport cleaner. 6. How do you ensure safety while using cleaning chemicals? I ensure safety by carefully following instructions and safety guidelines for all cleaning chemicals. I use the correct amount, wear protective equipment like gloves or masks, and never mix chemicals. I also label and store products properly after use. If I am unsure about a chemical, I ask my supervisor. Safety is very important in an airport environment to protect passengers, staff, and myself. 7. What would you do if a passenger complains about cleanliness? If a passenger complains, I would listen politely and respectfully without arguing. I would apologize for the inconvenience and assure them that the issue will be addressed immediately. Then, I would clean the area or inform my supervisor if additional help is needed. Handling complaints calmly shows professionalism. My goal is to ensure passengers feel comfortable and satisfied while maintaining the airport's cleanliness standards. 8. How do you prioritize your cleaning tasks? I prioritize tasks based on urgency, traffic level, and instructions from supervisors. High-traffic areas like restrooms, entrances, and waiting areas come first because they affect many passengers. I also follow cleaning schedules strictly to ensure nothing is missed. If an unexpected situation arises, such as spills, I address it immediately. Good prioritization helps maintain cleanliness efficiently throughout the airport. 9. Can you work as part of a team? Yes, I work very well as part of a team. Airport cleaning requires coordination to cover large areas efficiently. I respect my coworkers, follow instructions, and communicate clearly. I am always willing to help others if needed. Teamwork ensures tasks are completed on time and standards are maintained. A positive team environment also makes work smoother and more productive for everyone involved. 10. How do you handle repetitive tasks? I handle repetitive tasks by staying focused and reminding myself of their importance. Consistency is key in cleaning because even small tasks impact hygiene and safety. I maintain motivation by working efficiently and aiming for high standards every time. Repetition does not bother me because I take pride in doing my job well. A clean environment is always the result of consistent effort. 11. What would you do if you found a suspicious item while cleaning? If I found a suspicious item, I would not touch it. I would immediately inform my supervisor or airport security, following proper procedures. Safety is a top priority in airports, and handling such situations correctly is essential. I understand the importance of alertness and cooperation with security teams. Following protocol ensures the safety of passengers, staff, and the airport facility. 12. How do you maintain attention to detail? I maintain attention to detail by working systematically and checking my work before moving on. I focus on areas that are easily overlooked, such as corners, handles, and high-touch surfaces. I also follow checklists when provided. Taking pride in cleanliness motivates me to do thorough work. Attention to detail ensures high hygiene standards and reflects professionalism in my role. 13. Are you physically fit for this job? Yes, I am physically fit for this job. I understand that airport cleaning involves standing for long periods, lifting equipment, and continuous movement. I am used to physical work and maintain good stamina. I also follow proper techniques to avoid injury. Being physically prepared allows me to perform my duties efficiently and consistently throughout my shift. 14. How do you handle stress at work? I handle stress by staying calm, organized, and focused on my tasks. In busy situations, I take a step-by-step approach instead of rushing. I also communicate with my team if support is needed. Stress does not affect my attitude because I understand that pressure is part of the job. Maintaining a positive mindset helps me work efficiently even in challenging situations. 15. What does cleanliness mean to you? Cleanliness means safety, comfort, and respect for others. In public places like airports, cleanliness helps prevent illness and creates a positive impression. To me, cleaning is not just a task but a responsibility. When an area is clean, people feel relaxed and cared for. I take pride in contributing to a clean environment that benefits everyone. 16. How would you handle a spill in a busy area? I would act immediately by securing the area to prevent slips or accidents. I would place warning signs if available and clean the spill quickly using proper equipment. If the spill is large, I would inform my supervisor for assistance. Quick action is important in busy airport areas to ensure passenger safety and maintain cleanliness standards. 17. Are you willing to follow strict rules and procedures? Yes, I am fully willing to follow strict rules and procedures. Airports require high discipline due to safety and security concerns. I understand that procedures exist for a reason and help maintain standards. I carefully follow instructions, cleaning protocols, and safety guidelines. Being disciplined and compliant makes me a reliable employee in a sensitive environment like an airport. 18. How do you manage time during your shift? I manage time by planning my tasks and following assigned schedules. I start with priority areas and ensure all duties are completed within the shift. I avoid distractions and work efficiently without compromising quality. If delays occur, I inform my supervisor. Good time management helps maintain cleanliness throughout the airport and ensures smooth operations. 19. What would you do if you missed a cleaning task? If I realized I missed a task, I would correct it immediately. I believe honesty and responsibility are important. I would also inform my supervisor if necessary to ensure standards are met. Learning from mistakes helps prevent them in the future. My goal is always to maintain high-quality work and improve my performance continuously. 20. Why should we hire you as an airport cleaner? You should hire me because I am reliable, hardworking, and committed to cleanliness. I understand the importance of hygiene, safety, and professionalism in an airport. I am flexible with shifts, work well in teams, and follow rules strictly. My positive attitude and attention to detail ensure high cleaning standards. I am dedicated to contributing positively to the airport's environment and reputation. That wraps up our top 20 airport cleaner interview questions and answers. If you found this helpful, like the video, share it with others, and subscribe for more interview preparation tips. Remember, confidence, honesty, and professionalism make all the difference. Best of luck with your airport cleaner interview. You've got this.